Hello and welcome to today's video. We are at Epcot and it is 3:40. So anyway, this is our strategy. I have a whole video on our strategy for using Genie Plus, and that is we stack. So we no longer do rope drop. We did the pool. If you watched my video from yesterday, we did the pool this morning and we took our time. And today is also extra evening hours for guests, so for deluxe guests. So we're planning on utilizing that. So I think the park closes at 9 or 10, and then we won't be leaving until 11 or 12. So late day. We did get a boarding pass. It was just called. So we have a boarding group for Guardians. Gonna do that. We have a lightning lane for later tonight, and then we'll plan on doing the one for the deluxe guests. We can get that at 6. And yeah, so join us at a very late afternoon, late day at Epcot. And as you can see, we're in the parking lot. So we did drive here because it's gonna be a late night. We didn't want to deal with the bus, and parking wasn't too bad. We were in Crush 205, which isn't too far from the opening, or from the front. So we just got in. It's still Flower and Garden. I don't know when. I think it ended soon. But we are in. And Ryder's got a brand new magic band. Let's show you a magic band. We got the Oswald magic band.
And Daddy got a new one too.
Daddy actually has the Magic Band Plus now.
Yeah.
Woo. And we're gonna take this picture while I haven't melted and before the rain. And one of Ryder's favorite things are to do these little maps. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Let's see what the prize is. Okay, so it was $10. I had a 30% annual pass discount, and I already got my prize because we'll forget. So I just looked, and our boarding group for Guardians is until 4:04. It's like 3:58 right now, so we got perfect timing. But we got the drop at 7 a.m. So if you get the drop at 1 p.m., it's gonna be a late night. So we took a risk doing that, knowing that we were gonna do a late day, but it worked out. And we're gonna go get our annual pass holder magnet.
And then what's your name? All right. There you go.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, got our magnet, and now we're headed to Guardians. Okay, and here we are, Guardians. Hey, Ryder, what's the song?
One way or another.
One way or another?
I vote for one way or another as well.
I'm going with September. I want one way or another, but I'm going with September. We'll see. We'll see who's right. Loser pays dinner.
Yeah, loser buys dinner.
No.
Oh, do the jump. Wait, what? Look, there are only chains to keep track of that whack job.
Okay, let's do it.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang? We're just in a tunnel. A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Quill. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that. I am Groot. That was the weirdest. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?
Ryder, burn, baby, burn. So none of us got the song right. So Ryder's buying dinner.
No.
It was Disco Inferno. I haven't had that one in a while. I forgot that was one of the choices. So now we're headed to Test Track. Doesn't look like it's going to rain, but that's Florida, and it's 4:45, and that could change in a heartbeat. So right now it looks like there's not going to be any rain anytime soon, but I don't know, we'll see. But definitely want to get on Test Track before it rains, because that one always shuts down when it rains. Ryder's favorite part of Test Track, designing his car. And that's my car, because there wasn't everybody, so I got to make a car this time. Ryder, that's a lot of power.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. That looks awesome.
Ready?
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Who's gonna win?
And Daddy.
Mommy.
We'll begin. Display power test results.
First place!
First place. All right.
And now he's making his commercial. Another favorite of his. Wow, looks cool, Ryder. Your car's on space. So this is the... You gotta name your car.
Ooh, what do you want to name it, buddy?
So this is a first. This is a card. I've never seen this. We probably passed it a million times, but we've never done it.
I think we have.
Okay, purchase your card. Let's see.
There you go.
All right, let me see.
It's good.
That looks awesome, Ryder. Let me see.
You called it the Neon Cyclone.
Very cool.
That was the wing.
So we just left Test Track. We had a lightning lane for Frozen Ever After it went down, so that went to an anytime. And now we're headed to Spaceship Earth, and then going to Remy's, and then hopefully Frozen Ever After will come up at some point. And it's been a pretty packed day. It is June 26th, 626, Stitch Day.
Riding Epcot ball.
Yep, Epcot ball.
The future of this spaceship Earth.
So we rode Spaceship Earth, and Ray did well because we were on Spaceship Earth when the queue got open for the evening hours. I had like no signal. He was able to get our boarding group for Cosmic Rewind for tonight. So we get to ride it 3 times, and it is 6:15. We have the Chase Reward Visa, and this actually closes at 6:30. I thought it closes at 6, closes at 6:30. So we got in, and there's only one family in front of us. Hey, it's Mickey! Mickey and Goofy! Yeah! Hi!
Yay!
How are you? Go ahead!
Give
Go
Goof
give
a hug.
Goofy a hug!
He's a little tall. so
All
it's
right. Okay. All right.
Look over there, buddy. Look over there.
Look at the circle.
Over here.
Awesome.
Test Track. And he made a really cool car.
Yeah, and you got the card. Got the stat card.
86.
So that worked out really well. It was super fast. I think that was probably the fastest we've ever like got in there. I think maybe 5 minutes from start to finish. So now we're headed to France. And we just walked over, and the boat was here. So we're gonna try and get on it. Hopefully we can get on it. It was a pretty long line, but it's gonna bring us right to France. And we haven't done this in years. Ryder's never done it.
I don't remember ever.
So we're getting on. Awesome. It's pretty packed inside, but we're on the boat. That's all that matters. And that was perfect because we have our lightning lane for Remy, and it's dropping us off right in front of Morocco. Ratatouille. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. 80-minute wait. See ya. Ready to ride Remy? Yeah. You excited? We're going to France. So Remy's was great, got in really fast, and now we're headed. Ryder has been saying he's wanted pizza, and we've never eaten pizza at Epcot. So we're gonna go eat pizza at Epcot, and it's still sunny. It is almost 7 o'clock. Barges never bothered me, but it's nice to not have them here. So Bar and Rob's a simple plan.
Thank you very much.
And we've never done this, so we've never eaten the pizza. That's the sit down. We don't have a reservation, but hopefully there's a walk up. Okay, so you can tell I'm a celiac and I can't eat gluten because I never come to the pizza. So the pizza window's there. It's not open. So we're going back to Connections. I just placed a mobile order for pepperoni pizza, and we're headed back there. So, but it's 7:11, and the earliest time I could get is 7:45. So it is what it is. So this is a limoncello spritzer. It's limoncello, cherry juice, and prosecco. This is delicious.
Is it good?
This is what I wanted. So I came over here. Ray's going to get with Ryder for the pizza, but we have seared scallops and beef tenderloin tips. This is what I came for. My favorite. Okay, that's amazing. DP. Okay. Thank you. And 2 scallops. Thank you. So how is yours?
Very good.
It is from the northern something, the northern booth. I don't know, whatever. The scallops are the best.
Canada?
I would say, yeah, it's for Canada. I would say the scallops for the last because that is the best part.
I'm gonna do that now.
Ryder, how is your pizza? Is it good? I see a thumb. I see a thumb. It's up. Yeah, there's 2 thumbs. Oh, 2 thumbs up. So we also got the flower drop cocktail, which is like limited for the Flower and Garden. It's at Connections. Super good. Really good. So Ryder just had his pizza. It was fantastic. He said it was great. We got him the 2 slices, adults. And we have our lightning lane now for Guardians, but look, I've never seen this standby queue. So thank God for lightning lane. And our lightning lane queue was 7:25 to 8:25. It's 8:04. It's a giant turkey leg. So this is the lightning lane. I've never seen a lightning lane this far back. Obviously, you have the standby queue for the boarding group, but I've never stopped this far back for lightning lane.
Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
What's the song? What's the song? Come on, quick, quick. One way or another? One way or another? What's your fight?
September.
September? You took mine.
Yeah, sorry.
He took mine. He cheated. I'm gonna go with Everyone Wants to Rule the World. We'll see. And let's hope it's not Disco Inferno again.
Let's hope it's not Conga.
Hey, honey.
Well, your video.
I'm videoing. No, I'm videoing. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back.
And we are gonna watch the Pixar shorts. And we just got here and it's 9 o'clock. We're skipping the fireworks to watch Pixar, right?
Yeah, to watch Pixar.
And we're almost the only people here.
Yep.
So Ryder wanted to do the Pixar shorts, so we skipped the fireworks. The last showing for Pixar shorts is at 9 o'clock. They show every 20 minutes, so good to know. We weren't sure if they showed one at 9 o'clock. It was us and another family. So he got to see Pixar shorts, and now we're gonna head to Frozen, and then probably Test Track, and then hopefully Guardians. And we just fought traffic coming from Pixar shorts because everybody's leaving the fireworks. Hopefully now it's gonna clear out. I don't know if you can see here, but we're totally going against traffic. And we made it to Frozen Ever After, and there's a line. So our anytime lightning lane from earlier worked. So even though it's after hours, it still worked. Thank God.
Elsa's made the magic wave show. They summer snow. Let it go, let it go. I want to
So we rode Frozen Ever After. Right, I was very excited because there was a glitch. He wants me to send it to TPM Vids, so we're gonna do that. We were gonna go to Test Track. We're still waiting for our boarding group, our 3rd boarding group for Guardians to be called, but it's still, they're on 188 and we are 203. And we were gonna go to Test Track, and Test Track is down. So we're gonna journey into Imagination because we haven't gotten to ride that, right? You excited?
Yeah.
Yes. So, a little walking back and forth today. So, Journey into the Imagination is not open for extra magic hours or whatever, evening hours, whatever they're called. Good to know. Did not know that. The purple dragon needs more sleep on Mondays. That's what they told us. Test Track is down. So now we're headed to Nemo because really have nothing to do until our boarding group. So we're gonna do Nemo. So Test Track is down. They said they're trying to bring it back up, but so we went, tried to ride Journey to Imagination's closed, so we rode Nemo super fast, really nice. We didn't think we were going to ride it, and then we went back to Test Track. It's still closed. They said they're trying to pick it up, but there's a lot of people waiting. It's been down the entire extended evening hours. So now we are at Cosmic Rewind waiting for our boarding group. They're on boarding group 196 and we are boarding group 203. So there's not much of a line, at least the standby queue. So hopefully they're gonna carl the boarding groups pretty fast so we can get on. But it doesn't look like we're gonna ride Test Track again, but Ryder said that's okay. Ryder said that was fine. So, but let's hope we get on Cosmic Rewind. So we're skipping the pre-show. So we skipped the pre-show completely. That was pretty awesome. What's the song?
Uh-oh.
What's the song? Come on. One way or another?
It's gonna be Conga, I know it.
I was gonna say conga. Okay.
I always say what you were about to say.
Took my conga. I'm gonna go with September. Let's see.
We haven't had September.
I haven't had September yet. I'm gonna go for September, even though it's June.
Nothing to worry about.
What have we done?
I think we're turning back.
And it is 10:51, and this is the line right now for Guardians. So we are back at the resort. We drove, which was a really good decision because didn't want to have to wait for a bus, which was great. And weather held up. Was actually a gorgeous day. It was hot, but it was gorgeous. Extra magic or extended evening hours were good, except that Test Track was down the entire time. And there was a lot of people waiting for Test Track. But throughout the day, we got there, we rode Test Track once, Frozen Ever After, Remy's Ratatouille. No, we didn't get to ride Journey into Imagination. We rode Nemo, Spaceship Earth, and we rode Cosmic Rewind 3 times. So we did a lot, and then we also watched the Pixar shorts because Ryder wanted to watch the Pixar shorts instead of watching the fireworks. So we would have had time to ride Test Track if it had been open, but without it being open, we weren't able to. So I was able to get a lot done. Hopefully it'll be up and running on Friday, which is our last day. And we're gonna go to Epcot before we come back. So hopefully we'll get to ride it because that is Ryder's. I don't know if it's his favorite ride anymore, but it is one of his favorites. So, but it was a great night. And so with that, tomorrow we are gonna try and do Tron in the morning, and then we're going to Hollywood Studios in the afternoon. So it's kind of a split day. But with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.